Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I have another parcel for my challenge, and I didn't realise how many I got the other day. I just had a bundle of them. This is from Vicki Diprose and she lives in Queensland, and look, she's made me nice envelope. Look at that, isn't that nice? Thank you very much, Vicki, I really appreciate that. Okay, so we cut down here. I won't wreck it too much, I hope. There's an egg in the end here. Okay. I'm terribly sorry about my nails. They grow really long and then they break, and I can't touch them because they break back too far. I've got to wait till they feel a bit better. Sorry about that. Look at this. Wow, that's nice. Thank you. Oh, look, she's done some nice water marks on that and made these circles for me. Thank you, and put the dear little spots up along there. Thank you for hosting this very generous giveaway. I am fairly new subby, and thank you for all the work you do. Maybe when well enough I might try making a video or two. I wasn't sure if you had a colour scheme or theme that I didn't find, so popped 3 in for you to choose from, including a small patchwork I have done. Shalom, Vicki, that's what that says. Yeah, I think so. Look at it, isn't it nice? Look at this. Isn't this awesome? Oh, wow. Look at, she's got me a piece of patchwork. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, thank you so much. Look at this. Well, that's going to be there. That can be in the book. That is really awesome, Vicki. Thank you so much. I wish I could have the patience to do this, you know. I don't know how many pieces I've made over the years and never got any further than just, you know, probably something this big is what I could get to. I used to try doing them by hand, though. I guess that's why you'd probably give up, wouldn't you? These are really nice. I love all the nice colours. They go together really well. Oh, look at this. I've got cake. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the cupcake pad on there. Thank you so much. Isn't that nice? Love it. Thank you very much, Vicki. And the pussycats. Oh, look at that. There's a story about them and everything. Okay, I might have to read that later. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You love animals. Thank you very much, Vicki. That is very kind of you. And I don't really think you've got any information on there. You might have your address on the envelope, I think. Yeah, we've got that there, so that's good. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.